Hello, Corey. Darcy here, Media Mechanic. Thanks for the opportunity to send this little video over with regards to your websites and how I might be able to offer some insight to increasing your online awareness. So there's a couple things like you figured out already. One is your Google Business Profile. One of the advantages of this is you can actually get your customers working for you. So you have 23 Google reviews, which is really good here. One way to really improve your online awareness is getting people to leave these reviews. The more reviews, the more active that this business profile and trust that Google is going to recognize. Ultimately you'll be found for more activity on the Google network, basically, or search engine. So what it comes down to is the more people that give you reviews, and to get technical, how you save your pictures is definitely getting some keywords in there. All of that is content that Google is consistently basically crawling, recognizing, and trying to point the Google user towards you. Here's your website, and I have a couple of recommendations for you. One thing would be to put your phone number up here. Getting your phone number up here right away and gives me, I know there's a tab here, but it's just visual recognition. People really like to see that. And one other way to increase your activity would be to put a form. If I can fill out a form to get in touch with you to let you know exactly what I need, and that's just another quick way of touching base with your people that are looking for your services. Three major components to a website's strength and trust is going to be the content. So we briefly went over that. You have very minimal content here, and this is talking about Restoration 1. So being consistent and tying these keywords back to what you do and how you do it is going to add that trust and authority that Google is looking for, again, when crawling the websites. I briefly mentioned how you save your pictures. How you save your pictures is important because instead of these numbers here, Google will be reading this picture. Instead of those numbers, it could be keywords saying Rainbow International Restoration of Edmonton. That's the keyword, or even just plumbing Edmonton. That would, that's a keyword phrase that is used often. So, more content. Now, the other thing that I love showing people about is this paid for tool. So I guess if you're not in the industry, you don't really know about this tool or have a need for it, in the sense that this gives us a trust and strength value of your website. Now a lot of this DR here, 92 here, it's coming from this business site. That's the strength. But this is how many people have visited your website this month. You're only ranking for 8 keywords. We know which keywords you are ranking for because we can see the ins and outs of what's going on here. So, there's the keywords with your name in them. Of course, you're not ranking very high for even that. But one thing you can do is, again, add these keywords to your website to increase the awareness and increase your position. That sort of work can also be recognized here with other plumbing companies. This company here, their numbers aren't fantastic, but their website's making them money. They've got 65 people visiting their site a month. They've got keywords that are ranking They have referring domains and backlinks. And now, to quickly touch on that technical stuff, referring domains are local listings where you could put your company name, a phone number, and address in there, and that is like a popularity contest to Google. The more local listings you can put your company information in, the better. And then backlinks are basically just where other websites with your link to your website. That's it. Easy enough. And that's my spiel. There's some free information how you're going to improve your online awareness. Love getting people to take initiative and have their website make money for them, understand the basics behind the scenes, and put some action to basically generate more leads and more opportunity. So if I can answer any other questions you might have, I always got time. So Darcy, 780-918-0832, and that's with Media Mechanic. Appreciate your time.